Hello everyone, Mr. Wallen here, and this is my third video for activities that can be done at home during break. And in this video, I wanted to take you through the information that was sent home via email from the PE department. And also these pages are printed and they are at the high school right now, so they can be handed out. If you don't have access to these online, we have printed up 100 copies at Central Officer at the high school, so this is available for you to pick up too as well. I know Friday the 20th, the plans were to hand these out, but if you didn't get one, you might be able to still contact the district and see if there's extras that you can pick up at a later date. What we have first here is our fitness challenge calendar. So each month has a different theme. So along with different fitness challenges, we also have a theme. So this month is March Madness because that's of course when the basketball tournament was supposed to be played. So we have different basketball themed workouts each day, different tasks, but also just some fitness drills that would apply to basketball. But they would be fun no matter whether you're a basketball player or not. They'd be good exercises for you. So let's look at Monday. So this coming Monday, it has 17 side slides and 40 line drills. Now, if you go down to these following pages, you'll see that there are descriptions for all the basketball skills, and then these would be more of the fitness skills, dribbling, jump shots, quick feet, quarter turn. So there are descriptions here for what those should look like. I put together a video here for the side slides and quick feet. So something like this you could do with not a lot of space. You could do this in your living room. If you are, if it's a rainy day and you're inside, maybe you're watching a TV show and there's a commercial, it'd be a good time to just bust out some of these line drills. Do some of this, in your room or in your living room, while you're waiting for your next show to come up, or like I said, during a commercial. That way you're trying to stay active throughout the day. But the next day goes into more of a basketball theme, the speed dribble, turn and dunk, do the task card. So you can follow along with this at home. There are also little journals here that you can write in. Here's April's. So April's theme switches to baseball because that's usually when opening day. Not this year, apparently they're going to move it back, but here it's the same thing. You've got the fitness moves and you've also got the baseball task cards here. But here is a sheet you can use to kind of journal how everything goes. So if we go into, March 20th down here, I could write down what exercises I did, what I thought of them, give me, I really loved it. So I'll circle this smiley face and you can use that to kind of write other notes in there so you can keep track. And then we also have a blank physical activity log. So if the calendar maybe is not your thing, and you just want to do your own thing, you can use this 3-week journal here to keep track and make sure that we're hitting our goal of 60 minutes. I know this here says 30 minutes, but we really would like to see that moved up to 60. So for example, day 1, maybe you started indoors with some cosmic yoga. I'll show you what that is here in a minute. Then maybe we switched in and found some YouTube dance videos that we could do for, maybe we did 3 or 4 of those. And then later in the afternoon when it got warmer, we were able to go outside and have some outdoor play, 30 minutes. And that together adds up to our goal of 60 minutes. So that is here for you for the next 3 weeks. Okay, and now let's move on to some resources that you could use online. So here is Cosmic Kids Yoga. If you have the YouTube app, just pull this up and search Cosmic Kids Yoga, and you can see there's a lot of different things here, a lot of different themed yoga adventures that last, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, if you've never watched these before, they're really good. So you should be able to find everything from Sleeping Beauty and Three Little Pigs up to, Star Wars. So there's a bunch of videos here. Oh, there's Frozen. Oh, that's a 30-minute one. So, that gets you into that world of Frozen, but also gets kids moving. So this might be a good thing to do to kind of slow things down, calm down, but keep moving. So there's our Cosmic Kids Yoga. Here's a dance video one. These are follow-along dances for phys ed. So if you search for this name here, Dance PL3Y or just this PL3Y here, you should be able to find this is a big playlist of more dances that can be done at home. There's plenty of artists out there on YouTube doing these dances. And then my YouTube channel is up and running. So Mrs. Wallen and I have been putting out some videos here. So if you subscribe to Jordan Wallen, you should be getting these. So we've made 2 outdoor ones so far, and then this is our 3rd. So if you're listening to this video or watching this video, hopefully you can click on the subscribe so you can get any more that we do in the future. That is it. Hopefully everybody is staying safe and staying sane at home, and hopefully we'll be able to see each other soon. Thank you. And why don't we? Let's finish with a cheer. 1, 2, 3. I love PE.